Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will. This is the Wimby YouTube channel. Quick sales pitch like always. If you get to the end of this video, you enjoyed it, you found it helpful, think about hitting that subscribe button. Totally free to subscribe. It just sends you a quick notification whenever I'm posting some new content out there. If you don't want to subscribe, that's cool. A like is always really appreciated as well. Now, let's get into today's video. So in today's video, we're not going to be doing any sort of modifications, installations, not really anything automotive related today. We're actually going to be going over a pretty cool tool, kind of gadget thing that I recently was given by the good people over at WOLFBOX. They sent me out this tool about 2 months ago. And honestly, it's a really cool little device and I'm pretty stoked to share it with you guys. And what I'm referring to is this guy right here. This is the WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200. It's a super power turbofan, little handheld device here that I like to keep in my truck. It really helps around at the job sites if I'm doing any sort of carpentry work or any sort of attic work. And it also really comes in handy with a few random automotive things, like when it comes to detailing my car, the exterior, the interior, and just overall some maintenance types of things. So going to turn you guys around, give you a POV. We're gonna unbox this and then I'm gonna just run through some specs with you guys, show you where you might wanna use this. It's what I do with it anyway, so it's gonna be a fun video today. Let's check out this really cool product. And before I forget, if you want to pick up one of these things for yourself, I'm going to have the link down in the description, so you can scroll down below, click on that link, pick up one of these for yourselves. I'm also gonna have the WOLFBOX website pinned down there as well, so if you wanna shop their store, check out their badass products, everything's gonna be down in the description for you guys. Go check them out. So this is the box that it comes shipped in. Go ahead and open it up. On the inside, some instructions, another quick prompt little guide, really cool. On the inside here, we have the actual unit itself, really cool looking. We'll get into that a little bit later, but there you go. Over here, we have the 3 interchangeable nozzles that you can use, different shapes for different jobs. Also pretty cool. Nice foam packing there, so it comes nice and safely shipped. Inside here, a box of accessories. Let's open that up. Nice little carrying pouch there, kind of like a suede material. Really nice. What is this? Let's see. Butterfingers here. Got 2 little brushes, really cool, and a quick charging cable. So that is everything that comes with the unit. There you go. So let's have a good look at the unit itself now. And I'll be honest with you, I've actually had this in my possession now for just about 2 months. They sent it out to me. They wanted me to do a little video on it, but they wanted me to try it out first and give a full real world experience of how it works, how it functions, you know, and what I ended up using it for. So yeah, like I said, I've been using it now for just about 2 months, and I'm gonna be honest with you, at first, it's kind of one of those tools where it's like, okay, you know, what exactly am I going to use this for? But then once you own it, you realize that this is really a cool little gadget and it does come in handy for a lot of random things. So I don't keep it in the little carrying pouch that it comes with. I actually keep it in one of my Milwaukee packouts in my truck. And I use this as a tool like I use for work. I've been using it a lot in attics to not only cool myself down when I'm working in there, but to clear away some insulation off of, you know, random truss work and stuff like that. So really, you know, cool little handy tool, really compact and small. Doesn't really weigh a lot. I have a scale right here, so let's go ahead and turn that on and we can weigh it. So as you can see there, that's in grams, and then we can change it to ounces. So it's like coming in at 14 ounces exactly, which is a little under 1 pound, but there you go there. So it is really lightweight and compact, and it's just a cool little device. Also really comes in handy when I'm detailing one of my cars or my trucks to blow out any sort of debris on the interior from like cracks and crevices. And it's also handy for reaching like hard spots when drying my vehicle. So like around like the vents, on the hood, on the fenders, in the front grille, to just blow out any sort of trapped water in there. That way I don't have any streak marks once I start driving away. But yeah, the other cool thing about it is that it has a removable battery. So you don't have to just keep recharging this one itself. It doesn't have like obviously a built-in battery, so it's interchangeable. You could buy different batteries, switch them out. I think that's a really cool little feature there. I think the batteries are around 50-60 bucks. You could buy a few different ones to interchange out. But yeah, the stats on this, pretty impressive. It has a wind blow speed of over 200 miles an hour, if you can believe that. It actually has a 110,000 RPM. So this thing is throwing out a lot of air in a really small little package. But yeah, really impressive. But as you can see here, got the on button. Hold that to turn it on. See how it has the 3 LEDs there now. It's on the highest setting right there. So you can change the settings by just clicking it. Setting 2, setting 1, and then that's the trigger right there. For settings 1 and 2, you just have to push it once and you don't have to hold it. It'll keep blowing. Push it again to turn it off. Like I said, you can do that in setting 2 as well. Right there. And then for setting 3, which is obviously the max setting, you have to hold the trigger for it to blow. Yeah. Number 3 is pretty buck wild, but I believe it has a max run time of 10 minutes in the highest setting. If I saw that correctly, I've never held the trigger for over 10 minutes to actually test that or not, but I think I read that. But yeah, it also has a little battery indication right there with the blue LEDs. So yeah, this is a really cool little device. Use it for a lot of things around the house. So I'm gonna just go ahead and make a fun little video here showing you guys exactly what I use it for. So let's get into it. Definitely one of the most useful times I find when using the MegaFlow 200 is when it comes to detailing my car. It just makes blowing out any sort of dust, debris from the interior so much easier than trying to sweep it up or by using a vacuum cleaner, especially when it's kind of trapped in small little cracks and crevices. And then getting all of those little water droplets from, tight places like the grill, door moldings, door handles, it just makes it a breeze. So I'll use this little blower for all the hard to reach places. Then once I'm done with that, I'll use a microfiber, wipe down the rest of the truck, and I'm good to go. This thing definitely saves my butt. It also comes in handy with car maintenance as well. So right here I have a dirty air intake filter that we can just go ahead, blast it clean, get out any sort of dust, debris from inside the filter so we can reuse it. It could also be a really useful tool if you are out on the ranch or on the farm using your Freedom Seed implanter. After a long day, those things can get real sandy and gunked up. You could just use this fan to blow out any sort of dust, debris, dirt, and clean up that Freedom Seed implanter. Another thing I like to use a little turbo fan is to clean out my daughter's little playground over here. Get a lot of spiders and other type of bugs. I kind of like to set up shop inside here. So before she likes to come out and play inside, just give it a quick little blow around. And that's just a real easy way to just get rid of some bugs, spider webs, any sort of debris that's inside the playhouse. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Just wanted to show a cool little product that WOLFBOX sent over. Been using it for a few months. There's a bunch of random little odd jobs around the house, workshop, inside the vehicle that you could use this thing for. If you have any good ideas on what you could use this for, comment them down below. I'd love to hear some your ideas. But yeah, I think it's a cool little gadget, comes in handy. And yeah, product links are going to be down in the description. Store links. WOLFBOX are really cool people. They make a really good product, so go check them out. Check out their store. You might be able to find some other cool things on there to pick up for your truck or your garage or workspace. So as always, guys, my name's Will. This is the With Me YouTube channel. Really appreciate you guys chilling with me today. Like, comment, subscribe, all those things are always really helpful, and I always really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Later, everybody. Now I'm gonna cool off a little bit.